Hey guys, welcome back to another video in my WeBull investing series. So as you guys know, I have a portfolio on Robinhood and a portfolio on WeBull. So currently my market value for my portfolio is $703.97 now. It is currently pre-market on September 28th. So let me just show you guys what I currently have and how well everything is doing. So currently I have 30 shares of Blink Charging, and I bought it at the average cost of $7.56. And for those of you guys who aren't aware, Blink Charging is basically a equipment provider for electric vehicles. So they produce like charging stations, everything like that. And I do believe as electric vehicles become more common, obviously they'll need charging stations. So decided to purchase it, and I will be purchasing more shares in the future because it's still currently under $10, and I do believe it has potential to really grow within the next few years. And the next thing I have is Upwork. Now, Upwork is a freelancing service. It's just a website that you could sign up to become a freelancer, or you could sign up and look for people to work for you under a contract. So I've used this service in the past, and I do believe that it is a very good company, and the stock was recommended to me by Chris. So Chris, shout out to you, buddy. And I bought it at $15.18. I currently only have 7 shares, but I do believe I'll be purchasing more of Blink Charging and Upwork in the very near future. So next thing I have is Facebook, which is currently up almost $4 for me at this moment. And I do believe, if I remember correctly, I think Facebook does pay a dividend. Maybe it doesn't. It does not. Okay, so Facebook does not pay any type of dividend, but I do believe that Facebook will go up in the future just due to the fact that there's a bunch of Facebook ads. They own Instagram, and I'm sure they're going to own other social media giants in the future. So we'll see what happens with Facebook. Last thing I have is PPL, and they provide electric to people. This is actually the company I use to power this house. That's how I'm getting the video to you guys right now. Now, I purchased a stock because I feel like it's a pretty decent dividend stock. At this point in time, it pays 41 cents per share. So I have 2 shares as of right now. So each quarter I'll get 82 cents. So we'll see what happens with that in the future. I'll probably purchase more PPL in addition to other dividend stocks because I'm planning this portfolio to be more long-term. For Robinhood, about 5 years. For this one, maybe 10 plus years. And we'll see what we could do with this portfolio. But if you guys would like to sign up for WeBull, feel free to check out my referral link. If you sign up and deposit $100 or more, you and I will both get 2 free stocks. Look forward to more videos on my WeBull portfolio. We're going to be very careful in picking some growth stocks and dividend stocks in the future. I know that financial stocks took a dip last week, so I'll look into a couple of those because those typically tend to pay quarterly dividends, and it would be nice to continue to get payments off of those. So we'll see what happens. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.